Did you know that origami, the art of paper folding, is influencing scientific breakthroughs? Researchers use origami principles to create innovative designs in fields like space exploration and medicine. For example, NASA has applied origami concepts to develop compressible solar panels that unfold in space. This folding technique minimizes launch sizes, optimizing space travel. Meanwhile, in medicine, scientists are designing self-folding devices for minimally invasive surgeries. With every fold, these creations mimic complex natural structures, leading to more efficient solutions. So, the next time you see a paper crane, remember, it's not just art, it's a doorway to scientific innovation.